Artificial intelligence is no longer just a productivity tool. It is starting to replace the very work software companies sell. And the biggest AI leaders in the world are openly saying it. This isn't fear content. This is a structural shift. Chapter 1: The 12-Month Shock. Recently, Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei made a bold claim. He said software engineering as we know it could become obsolete within 12 months.
We are now, in terms of the models that write code, I have engineers within Anthropic who say, I don't write any code anymore. I just let the model write the code. I edit it. I do the things around it. I don't know, we might be 6 to 12 months away from when the model is doing most, maybe all of what SWEs do end to end. And then it's a question of how fast does that loop close?
12 months. Not 10 years. Not sometime in the future. Inside his own company, AI systems are already writing large portions of production code. Engineers are not typing everything anymore. They are reviewing, guiding, approving. If AI can generate, test, refactor, and deploy code, what happens to large teams doing repetitive development work? This is the uncomfortable question. Chapter 2: Elon Musk saw this coming. Years ago, Elon Musk warned that AI would replace many human jobs. He spoke about a future where automation becomes so advanced that work itself changes.
And anything short of shaping atoms, AI can do probably half or more of those jobs right now.
At the time, it sounded extreme. Today, AI writes code, designs interfaces, creates marketing copy, analyzes legal contracts. When people building AI say disruption is inevitable, it deserves attention. Chapter 3: Sridhar Vembu's reality check. Zoho founder Sridhar Vembu responded to recent AI warnings with clarity. He didn't say panic. He said, pay attention. Routine coding is increasingly automated. Engineers must move beyond basic implementation work. The future belongs to system architecture, deep domain expertise, problem framing, AI supervision, strategic thinking. High-paying IT jobs are not guaranteed forever. They evolve. And those who don't evolve risk being left behind. Chapter 4: Other tech leaders agree. Sam Altman says today's AI is like an intern. But here's the key part. This intern learns very fast. Sundar Pichai acknowledges AI will eliminate some jobs, but also create new ones. Jensen Huang says every job will be affected. Satya Nadella emphasizes responsible AI because the scale of change is enormous. This isn't one isolated opinion. It's a global conversation among the leaders building AI itself. Chapter 5: What AI is strong at versus weak at. Let's stay rational. AI is very strong at repetitive coding, debugging, documentation, unit testing, boilerplate generation. AI is weaker at complex architecture decisions, deep business logic, human leadership, negotiation, cross-functional judgment. Entry-level repetitive roles face the highest pressure. High-level thinking roles evolve, they don't vanish overnight. The career ladder is changing. The bottom steps are shrinking. And the skill bar is rising. Chapter 6: Indian companies positioning for AI. While disruption is real, adaptation is also happening. Some Indian tech companies are positioning themselves as AI enablers. Persistent systems, focused on cloud, data, and AI-led enterprise transformation. Cyient, engineering-driven company integrating AI into digital and semiconductor solutions. Tata Elxsi, embedding AI into automotive, healthcare, and industrial product engineering. The shift isn't about survival. It's about transformation. Chapter 7: What should you do? If you're in tech, denial won't protect you. Adaptation will. Master AI tools. Don't compete with AI, learn to supervise it. Move toward architecture, system design, AI integration, governance, and business understanding. Strengthen communication and leadership. AI replaces repetition. It amplifies intelligence. Final message. AI isn't a distant concept anymore. It is already embedded in workflows. The next decade, maybe even the next few years, will redefine software careers. The real question is not, will AI replace jobs? The real question is, will you upgrade yourself before the system upgrades past you? If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more insights on AI, markets, and the future of tech. And if you're interested in starting your investment journey, you can open a free Demat account using the link in the channel description and video description below. It may also help support and build this channel. See you in the next video.